In this video, I'll go over how to get your Depop balance into your bank account. So to do this, there's basically two ways, and the most common way is actually through PayPal. So if for you the only withdrawal method is PayPal, which you can check by going into the top right and then your selling hub, or you can do it in the app and then go to payments. You can first check what your balance is, and then here for me right here it says bank account, since this is a US account. Then what you can do on your phone, just go to your balance. So go to profile, then settings, and then payments, and then under Depop balance or Depop payments, you will see your balance and tap transfer to bank. Now that is for if bank account is available, for example in the US. If it isn't, what you will need to do is transfer it to your PayPal account first, and from there open up PayPal, the app or desktop, go to wallet, then tap transfer money, choose transfer to your bank, then pick your linked bank account or debit card and choose instant or then choose an instant or standard transfer, whichever one you want, and from there it will be then transferred to your bank account. So that's how to get your Depop balance to your bank account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.